Hello friends, don't forget to see all Learn Kannada videos published in Kannada Magic. This is Possessive Pronouns Part 1, Sentences and Usage Examples. Welcome to Kannada QuickBytes #9. In this video, you will very easily learn possessive pronouns, 4 words like Nanna, that is my, Ninna, that is yours, Namma, ours, Nimma, yours. Friends, it is also very interesting to know about Kannada and Karnataka facts. Did you know Kannada language is spoken by 57 million speakers and more? Kannada language has a history of over 2500 years. Kannada has an unbroken literary history of over 1000 years. Based on the recommendations of the Committee of Linguistic Experts appointed by Ministry of Culture, Government of India designated Kannada language a classical language of India. Let's start with the first possessive pronoun, Nanna. Nanna means my. Nanna hesaru Kannada magic. My name is Kannada magic. You can say Nanna hesaru and then you can say your name. Nanna hesaru. Nanna hesaru Kannada magic. What about you want to say your height? My height is 6 feet. Nanna ettara. Ettara is height. Nanna ettara. Aru adi. Aru. Adi. Feet is adi. You can also say Nanna ettara 6 feet or Nanna ettara Aru adi. If you want to say your friend went to home, how do you say that in Kannada? Nanna friend or ಗೆಳತಿ. Nanna ಗೆಳತಿ. ಗೆಳತಿ is your friend who is girl. ಗೆಳೆಯ is your friend who is boy. ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ to home. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹೋಗುವುದು means going. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ is for feminine. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. And for boys you will say ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. And with respect you can say ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But here you want to say your friend who is a girl went to home. ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ. She has gone to her hometown. You can say ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಊರಿಗೆ to hometown. ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. If some Kannadiga tells you his mother tongue is Kannada, how does he say? Nanna matru bhashe. Matru is mother. Matru bhashe. Bhashe is language. Kannada. Nanna matru bhashe Kannada. Nanna, that is my, matru bhashe, mother tongue, is Kannada. Kannada. Nanna matru bhashe Kannada. Here is another Kannada Karnataka fact. Number first, did you know every year 1st of November is celebrated as Kannada Rajyotsava? Kannada Rajyotsava. This was the day in 1956 when all Kannada language speaking regions of South India were merged to form the state of Karnataka. The Rajyotsava day is listed as government holiday in the state of Karnataka and is celebrated by Kannadigas across the world. Second word in the possessive pronouns is Ninna. Ninna means you are. It's singular without respect. Cannot be used for elders. Ninna. Your exam is over. How do you ask that? Ninna parikshe mugita. Ninna parikshe exam. Mugita. Is it over? Mugita. Mugiyudu means ending something. Mugita is to ask if something is over. Ninna parikshe mugita. Ninna exam mugita. Ninna exam mugita. How can you easily use Ninna? You want to compliment somebody's dress, you can say Ninna dress tumba sundaravagide. Your dress is beautiful. Ninna dress or batte means dress. Tumba sundaravagide. Sundara is beautiful. Sundaravagide. Tumba is very. Or you can say Ninna dress tumba chennagide. Chennagide means it's looking good. Or sundaravagide is beautiful. It's very simple to use Ninna. For example, give me your pen. Ninna pen kodu. Kodu is give me. Ninna pen kodu. Or Ninna book kodu. Whatever you want to ask, you can insert there and you can say Ninna pen kodu. You want to address somebody elderly, then you can say Nimma pen kodi. You can observe the difference. Nimma for elderly people or with respect to unknown people. Pen kodi. Kodi is respect. Kodu is very friendly in nature. Ninna pen kodu. How about asking about somebody's friend? Where is your friend? Ninna ಗೆಳತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೆಳತಿ is a friend who is a girl. ಗೆಳತಿ. If it is a boy or a friend, you can say ಗೆಳೆಯ. ನಿನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Or ನಿನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? You want to simplify that, you can say ನಿನ್ನ friend ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿನ್ನ friend ಎಲ್ಲಿ? The next word, Namma. Namma is us. So you want to refer some group of people and then you want to say we are going to our native, like your family is going somewhere to your native or to theater or somewhere. You can say we are going by saying Navu. Namma. Navu is we, Namma is us. Namma Urige. Uru. By now you know, I think Uru is your village or native. Namma Urige. Ge will come when you want to say to that place. Urige, theater ge, parkige. Hogutta iddeve. Hogutta means we are, it's a present continuous. Hogutta iddeve. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Or in a very casual spoken Kannada, you will say ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಆರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ, ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Whatever that belongs to you, you can say Namma. How about commenting about school bus with your fellow parent or your friend? Our school bus is coming. You can say Namma school bus ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. School bus is Shala Vahana. Shale is school. Vahana is the vehicle. ನಮ್ಮ school bus ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. It is coming. Or you want to question somebody. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್, whatever the school that you are referring to and the bus. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಂತ. ಬಂತ is a question. ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ is a comment saying that it is coming there. ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ or ಬಂತ. Okay, so you have some relatives at home. You want to say your relatives have come to your house. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೆಂಟರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ, that is our house, has some guests. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೆಂಟರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Or you can say relatives ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Relatives. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ friends ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Whoever has come, you can say ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ someone has come. You can say friends ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, relatives ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೆಂಟರು is relatives in Kannada. ನೆಂಟರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Here is another Karnataka Facts dictionary. Did you know Kannada dictionary was existed in Kannada along with ancient works of Kannada grammar? The oldest available Kannada dictionary was composed in 996 AD by the poet Ranna, and it's called Ranna Kanda. Literary work Kavirajamaga by King Nrupatunga Amogha 1 is the earliest existing literary work in Kannada. It was written by the king in AD 850. Kannada English Dictionary. In 1894, a German by name Kittel studied and learned Kannada language so well that he produced a Kannada English dictionary of about 70,000 Kannada words. Here is the next possessive pronoun, Nimma, US. Please introduce yourself. You can say Nimma Parichaya Madikolli. Nimma, US. Parichaya, introduction. Madikolli, please do. Nimma Parichaya Madikolli. Or you can simply say Yaru Nivu is also works. Or you can say Nimma Parichaya Madikolli. How do you ask somebody what is your native place? You can say Nimmadu Yava Uru. Nimmadu Yava Uru. Or you can also ask Nimma Uru Yavadu. That is also possible. Nimma Uru Yavadu. I can say Nimmadu Yava Uru. Okay, you're asking your friend or your neighbor and you want to know where are your children. You can say Nimma Makkalu Yelli. Makkalu are children. Or if it is one kid, you can say Nimma Magu Elli. If it is children, then you can say Nimma Makkalu Elli. Elli means where. Nimma Makkalu Elli. Congratulations, guys. Excellent learning. Great going. Here is a Kannada question of the day. Nanna hesaru Kannada magic. Nimma hesaru? Nanna hesaru Kannada magic. Nimma hesaru? Tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box below. Friends, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kannada Magic Channel. Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Thank you for supporting Kannada Magic. It is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. The bunch of other Kannada learning videos. Don't forget, keep learning. Thank you.